Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share two wonderful lunch recipes and we're going to make this Desi style. So we're going to see how to make this delicious Masala Macaroni as well as Desi style Masala Noodles. So let's get started and check out these wonderful recipes. First we're going to cook the noodles. To a pot, take enough water. Once the water starts boiling, add a teaspoon of salt. Now I've taken about 4 packets of ramen noodles. These noodles cook very quickly, so just cook them for just about 2 minutes. So I'm just adding a little oil while cooking the noodles, so that way they stay a bit loose and they don't stick to each other. So you can check the noodles after 2 minutes, they are cooked completely. I'm just going to strain them and keep it aside. So here is a quick tip for you guys. So just in case the noodle gets a bit sticky after they cool down, just add a little bit of cold water or water at room temperature just to release them. That way they will be nice and loose. Next we're going to temper the ingredients. To a nice wide kadai or a wok, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add about 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Next add about half onion that's been thinly sliced. Saute the ingredients for about 2 minutes. Next add about half cup of thinly cut juliennes of carrots, half cup of finely shredded cabbage. Using a wide wok like this will help to stir fry the vegetables better. Next add quarter cup of red capsicum that's been thinly sliced, quarter cup of thinly sliced green capsicum. Just saute all the vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook the vegetables because you want it a little bit crunchy. So after about 3 minutes, just reduce the flame to a medium-low and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons Chaat Masala powder. Next add 1 teaspoon of sugar and add about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. So you can add chili sauce if you like, and you can adjust the spice according to your taste. To give a nice crunch, I'm adding a few spring onion whites and a few spring onion greens. And just mix that in. Now add the cooked ramen. I'm using 2 spatulas to mix the noodles along with the vegetables. So this way you can avoid any breakage of the noodles. Just make sure the vegetable mixture coats the noodles well. You can see the vegetables along with all the spices have coated the noodles beautifully. Finally, I'm finishing off by garnishing with some spring onion greens. These are very simple street style noodles. Let me tell you, the perfect way to get these street style noodles is to choose the vegetables correctly. The cabbage, capsicum and carrots are mandatory. And do not forget to add as many spice powders as possible to your noodles to get that street style feeling. Make sure you serve these noodles nice and hot. Take a wide saucepan, pour enough water. Once it comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of macaroni shells. Cook the macaroni. The macaroni is done, strain it. Pour a little oil onto the strained macaroni to prevent it from sticking to each other. Take a kadai. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this add 1 large onion finely chopped. Next add finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon. Finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. Once the onions turn to a nice golden brown color, add the tomatoes, 2 tomatoes finely chopped. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the tomatoes are mushy, add half capsicum chopped, 1 carrot chopped, a few beans chopped. Pour half cup of water to cook the vegetables. Close and cook for about 10 minutes till the vegetables are done. The vegetables are cooked now. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 tablespoons of red chilli sauce. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. Grate some mozzarella cheese. Give it a quick mix. Now add the cooked macaroni. Finally, garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves. Masala macaroni is ready. Serve it hot. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.